Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you Power BI sharing and collaboration. So Power BI online services provide different kind of option of sharing your report, your dashboard, your data set and so on. So we have four option of sharing your dashboard or report. One is basic sharing, other is workspace, then Power BI apps and publish to web. So we'll see one by one. First we'll see the basic sharing. So basic sharing on the Power BI online services is you need to go to the Power BI online services. The workspace, you need to go to the workspace. The workspace which is having the report you are going to share with other user. You need to go to the report and then you see this option, the share. Once you click this option, it will ask whom you want to share. So here you need to enter. You need to enter. You need to enter your email address. You need to enter the email address and you need to click on share. Here we have option allow recipients to share your report. Means the user can reshare the report. Allow user to build new contact using the underlying data set. If you want to allow, he will be able to only read the report and send the email notification to recipient. You can check or uncheck. I'll share it. Now the user which you share the report, where they will see the report. So they'll go in share with me. See, I have shared this report. You can see shared by Pushpak. You can see here this report. So this was the first option to share the report, basic sharing. The other sharing is workspace. Workspace is like kind of you create a folder in Power BI online services and you give a read and write access to all the user which is required. That means whoever wants to um, access the workspace, you'll give the access to that user. So how we are going to do that? We need to go to workspace and you create a workspace. Okay, one second. You create a workspace. I'll create a workspace with the name. I'll give it as a demo and save it. Now this workspace gets created where it will show in workspace. See demo, and then here you are going to give the access to different user. You can select here the email ID and then you can add and then close. Now the person whoever have access of this workspace, they would be able to see all the dashboard present in workspace, all the reports present in workspace, all the workbooks present in this workspace, and the data set and data flow and so on. So this was your option of sharing as a workspace. So see the definition. Basic sharing method has the basic sharing method has a limitation when it comes to share multiple report at once. Means you can share multiple report in the sense all the report present in that workspace, people would be able to see all the report present in that workspace. They can see new this one, they can see this one, they can see data set, all the data set they'll be able to see. But in normal, in a basic sharing method, what we only you can share single, one by one you can share one report at a time. So that's the difference between workspace and basic sharing method. Now third option is Power BI apps. So this kind of the Workspace and Power BI apps kind of same, but in terms of you want to have a different environment like development environment, user environment. So in that case, Power BI apps is good option. Power BI apps is a good option where if you want to give access to a user who is working as a developer, if you want to give access to a person who is going to work as a QA, so in that case you'll give uh, the Power BI apps created for development, you'll give access only the developer, and the for QA you will give the Power BI apps for QA, Power BI apps created for a QA environment. So you'll give access to a QA people. Now we'll see Power BI apps, how we create and how it share the report to different person. So in the workspace, you'll open the workspace. We have option called publish app. Once you publish this app, all the report, all the report is present here. Okay, this is a report, quick measure, and these two report. All the report is present here, are present here, and advanced. This is we don't have to worry about it. So this report now, when I publish app, need to give some demo. Okay, app name is demo, publish, and permission here, specific individual in a group. I'll give a permission to a person. Now the person mail ID I have entered here, he'll be able to see that app only because he will be seeing the app, only that person. Once we add other person, that person would be able to see the app. Otherwise, not everyone would be able to see the app. So when I publish it, now I'll go to the user, and here how to get the app, because this person having access, so he'll go to the get app and then my organization. In this my organization, see, it's loading. Now once he will be able to see this, right? Get it now. Once we'll get it now, see what will happen. This app came here. Now where it will be? It won't be in workspace, it will be in apps. When you open that, it will show you all the report and data set, everything. Because this user does not have pro license, that's why he's not able to do it. Okay, so we have fourth option, publish to web. So this option is like when you don't have to worry about your sensitive data. In that case, you can simply publish to web, and when you do the publish to web, it will give you embedded code. So that code can be used in web page to show that report. When you see some kind of website, like kind of election website, there you'll see the chart, different kind of chart. So that chart would be embedded code of a report which got embedded in web page. So publish to web method gives you an embedded code which you can use any web page to embed the Power BI report in that. Okay, so we'll say that how to publish to web. So to publish to the web, what you need to do, you need to open the report first. Need to open the report first. I have opened the report, and then if you see here, you need to go to the file and you need to select publish to web, and see, you can send the link to anyone who wants to see the report. Whoever have this link, he'll be able to see. There's no option to secure it. That's why whenever you don't have to worry about your data, underlying data, then you can share it, publish to web with the help of publish to web method. Understood? So these are the four options of sharing in Power BI online services. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you.